Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will learn about the connectors of the side stand sensor in Yezdi Adventure. And this video will be followed by the gear indicator sensor. So please like, share and subscribe if you like the information. In order to access the side stand sensor connectors in Yezdi Adventure, we have to remove the two panels on the left side, that is air filter side. So using a 10 mm socket and hex Y, we have to remove the side panels here. There are two cluster of connectors here. One are for the indicators, that is a flasher relay, and these are the connector junctions we are talking about. The CKP sensor is the green one, and black one is for the gear indicator sensor, and the white one is for the side stand sensor. So it has three wires, side stand sensor in Yezdi Adventure. Now using a multimeter, we will check the ground and voltage across the terminals of the connector. So first we will check the voltage across the terminals. Green is 5 volts, and the one with white line is 5 volts. The one with red line is 0, that confirms the ground here. So green is 5 volt reference. So we check the continuity of the wire to red line, that beeps, so it confirms ground. And the green is 5 volt. The one with white line is a signal wire. So here when we disconnected the side stand connector, the dashboard shows or indicates that side stand has removed here. So even the side stand is on, or even we put the side stand, the dashboard doesn't recognize it as the connector is disconnected. So now we will insert the copper wire into the signal wire, that is a wire with white line. So the wire other than green and red line wire, the third wire. So we will do this process with the ignition off, and after pushing the connector in, we turn the ignition again and check the signal voltage here. So here it shows it detected the side stand on condition, and the signal voltage is 0.7 volts. So that is how you diagnose the side stand sensor in Yezdi Adventure. So when the side stand is on, it's closer to the reference voltage and 4.9. So when the side stand is off, that is when we are using the side stand, the signal voltage is 0.2 or so. Thank you.